Today I'm excited to make something new for me that I think should work out fine is toilet fizzies. So we don't like cleaning the toilet, but it is spring cleaning time and the toilet is something we all have to clean, right? Why not make it fun? So these are going to be little tablets that you can put in your toilet and kind of let them sit and scrub with them, and then it will clean it for you, kind of. Well, so this is what you need. Some basic things. Baking soda. So I'm going to put in half a cup. And I'm doing half a recipe because this is new. That's one of the DIY tips that I recommend. Whenever you do something new, maybe just do half a recipe or batch because you never know. Then I'm going to get a 1/4 cup citric acid. This might be something you don't always have around, but I would recommend it. I just got mine on Amazon. Something else that I do with citric acid, it's kind of dusty here with all this powder, is add it to my dishwashing powder because it helps make all the glasses and stuff really clear and shiny. Okay, so there's a lot of uses for citric acid in your house, so I recommend it. Okay, and then, so I put those two things in there and I've been like getting out all the bumps and lumps. And then next, I got a little spray bottle and I put a 1/4 teaspoon vinegar and a 1/2 tablespoon hydrogen peroxide. I have my DIY stuff here. Hydrogen peroxide, just white vinegar. There's my citric acid. And then I'm going to spray my mixture until, I'm reading the recipe right here, until it kind of feels slightly damp, but not like wet sand. And it should clump together when you squeeze it. So, I'm going to spray. I thought this was a great idea to slowly add. And it's already fizzing. Have you done that reaction with baking soda and vinegar? That's what's in here. I a lot of times use baking soda, the same ingredients really, to clean my toilet anyway. So why not put it, oh, one thing I forgot. The most important thing, lemon essential oil. I'm gonna put 20 drops of that in here. Okay. Oh my gosh, smells good. I love lemon. I love lemon. And good thing, lemon is a very affordable oil too. Okay, so it's getting damp. Let's see. I'm gonna clump it together. Ooh, it does feel like sand. Maybe that's all we need. Because this little spray, you might not need it all. Kind of depends on where you are. Okay, reading my directions again. It should clump together when you squeeze it in a ball, but it should also break apart easily when you drop it in the bowl. Yep. Okay, I think I got enough. Now I'm gonna put this in my silicone mold. If you have an silicone ice cube tray, that would be good too. And I'm just gonna press firmly in there. Look at how easy and fast this was. And then the next thing I need to do is just let it dry overnight. Now, it kind of depends on what kind of climate you live in. You might need it to be more than 1 day, maybe even 3. So kind of check on it. And then what you do is put it in like a mason jar with a lid and store it there. Then when you're ready to clean your toilet or have your kids help because they're at home right now, right? You're going to drop 1 or 2 in your toilet and let the fizz soak and for a few minutes. Then you just use your toilet brush and scrub and then flush. Okay, so wasn't that fun? I hope you try these toilet fizzies and let me know how it works out for you.